Ambule lonyana umntu ngenxa yelungelo yokufuna izwe lethu kubo bacindezele sobukhwe kawusikhokele lo msebenzi esuphetheyo khona uzuphumelele ngokuthanda kwethu ngokuthanda kwethu ngeyani nale ntshukumo ngoba bacindezeli kungenxa kamangaliso yenkokheli yethu yokufuna izwe lethu kubo bacindezeli sobukhwe kawusikhokele lo msebenzi esuphetheyo khona uzuphumelele ngokuthanda kwethu ngokuthanda kwethu. Long live the spirit of Zafania Mutopeng, long live. Long live the spirit of Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe, long live. Long live the spirit of Jafta Masemula, long live. Long live the spirit of General Lawrence Ngandela, long live. Long live the spirit of Sabelo Palma, long live. Is Soletu, Africa, train a woman, arm the people, no surrender, no compromise, no surrender. Viva PAC, viva! Viva Poco, viva! Viva Apla, viva! Pambele nge-PAC, pambele! Pambele ngodabi labantu, pambele! Yes, so that.
As a Khalzimbiri branch, welcome kubo wonke ama-Afrika khonile ukuphumelela phezu kwalelanga le-lockdown leli lokuthi sizivalele endlini singakwazi ukwenza next. Sikhumbule i-PAC ukuthi yafonywa ngalo lelanga leli la April May 6. Siyazi ukuthi i-PAC yayifonyeleni. I-PAC yayifonyele ukuthi ikhulule ama-masses aseyazana athathelwe umhlaba. Njengamanje njengasisagcindezelwe singakakhululeki singakatholi umhlaba wethu. Sivalanga thina ke ama-Afrika siyazi-ke ukuthi ama-Afrika amanye azivalele ezindlini ayasaba bamamela umthetho we-government. I-government yethu ireporta ku-Queen ngoba siyazi ukuthi uma ukhwehlela uQueen nathi kumele sigule siphathwe yi-flu. Noma uQueen uphilile nathi sizokwazi ukuphila sigijime sikwazi sidle. Engixwayisayo kuma-Afrika sonke ukuthi manje is a time whereby kumele sikwazi ukuzenzela izinto zethu, sikwazi ukulima, sikwazi ukuzifida. Abantu base-Afrika sizolamba ngoba sibheke kubo bonke labantu. Yibo abasiphathele zonke izinto. Sifitwa yibo njengabakwazi manje ukuvala. So ama-Afrika ngokusho kanjalo Khalzimbiri branch simile ngenyawo, sibuyele emuva, sisheshele emuva, sijiki, asisabi, asithukanga futhi kubo konke kwenzakala. Dala sabulawa, silindele noma yini engayenzeka phakathi kwethu nakithi as individual. Sizwile ezinye izinto upresident akukhuluma i-statement ezingacacanga zama-condolences aka-Viljoen, Viljoen wayebulala ama-Afrika. Sinamanje thina we don't recognize it. Sisupport yonke lento ya-Viljoen. Viljoen inja ifile, siyazi ukuthi ibhunimali ifile sijabula nathi as Africans, but ke phambili ngodabi labantu phambili. Izwe lethu i-Africa, izwe lethu. Gobe mama Roma besi tubo
Gobe, gobe, gobe.
Saya, no magu.
Lo mabe se chubo. Esi shai. Awe si boba.
Saya, no magu.
Lo mabe se chubo. Awe si shai. Awe si boba.
Saya, no magu.
Gobe, 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 mama.
Saya, no magu.
Gobe, 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 mama.
Saya, no magu.
Lo mabe se chubo.
No magu.
Lo mabe se chubo. Awe si shai.
No magu.
Gobe, 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 mama.
Government ezobe iphethwe abobani ezobe iphethwe ama-whites yabo manje thina PAC ezikhali zimbiri ezomafika unkanyezi ahlala asho ukuthi asijiki yabo asivumelani asihambisani our aim ne-aim i-PAC eyafonyelwa yona is to overthrow what domination white supremacy nama-laws akhona then establish i-Africanist socialist democracy. That is what we're trying to show the world. Ukuthi coronavirus is true. Izinto abomtsipa abazobenefita ngazo. Ama-towers for the technology entsha, i-5G technology. Lesibulalayo manje sokuthiwa i-coronavirus kumele sibe lockdown. Singabhekanga i-social illness zabantu singabhekanga ukuthi abantu baphila kanjani. You cannot lock down umuntu osemkhukhwini. You can lock down umuntu ohlala ku forum. You can not lock down umuntu ongasebenzi. Whereas bathu bazosiprovide nga whatsoever but abasiprovide. Then khona manje bathu bazo enforce i-vaccine. Then democratically constitutionally lesi evotelwe established by Cyril Ramaphosa. It's violation of human rights. You cannot force me. And I'm saying it danger. Kumuntu ongena corona. I'm not a danger to that society. Isolate my friend.
Africa.
Solo Dinota, Solo Dinota, Solo Dinota. Zulu Dinota, Zulu Dinota, Zulu Dinota.
Buya.
Kolala
Ekaze
Peso
Entawa Easani
Solo
Timuta
Solo
Timuta
Solo
Timuta Easani
Cheche Sizoyibetha ngempela isarafu sengebanganya ayempela
Zoka
unyoko
Nani makwala Lashoni langa
Sizoyishaya ngempela isarafu sengebanganya
Nansempe Uzokhala unyoko
nani makwala lashoni langa cheche Omina ngasi so kwenze njani
Nasesniyanyika sendaba
Akusisu kunikosheta
Nasohlangana khona kuzokhala ibhazuka
Baba mlambu uyayibona nale nkinga
Nasesniyanyika sendaba
Omina ngasi so phelela phela
Nasohlangana khona kuzokhala ibhazuka
Asipheli indaba eParliamente
Nasesniyanyika sendaba
Akusisu kunikosheta
Nasohlangana khona kuzokhala ibhazuka
Asipheli indaba eParliamente
Nasesniyanyika sendaba
Omina ngasi so kwenze njani
Nasohlangana khona kuzokhala ibhazuka
Omina ngasi so phelela phambili
Nasesniyanyika sendaba
Omina ngasi so kwenze njani
Nasohlangana khona kuzokhala ibhazuka
Baba mlambu uyayibona nale nkinga
Nasesniyanyika sendaba
Akusisu kunikosheta
Nasohlangana khona kuzokhala ibhazuka
Asipheli indaba
eParliamente Nasesniyanyika sendaba
Omina ngasi so phelela Scorpio, Green, Joshke, Pistol, Revolver, Mirana, Autuma mina sabelu Tuma mina Awukuna le azania Tuma mina
Not only ukuthi free was yonke into, it means you understand ukuthi izinto ukuze zenzeke zibangelwa yini nokuthi sezenzekile wena usuka kanjani lapho uthola isixazululo to move forward, and you prepare yourself kanjani in order to engage moving forward. But if you fail first to comprehend that, i-practice yakho izokuphikisa, because you will be applying your practice based on something that you have not properly planned for. Which is why it is important, but first you must understand, then you plan, then you execute. But once you start with the execution, planning, and then later you start thinking, you are going to spend 100 years doing the same thing over and over again.
Izwe lethu
lona ukhulumayo uNkanyezi wakamathunjwa ichairperson yebranch eKhali Zimbiri Wiza Military Camp. Siyazi namhlanje njengakuyi-6 zika-April sikhumbula ukufoma kwe-PAC eyafonywa uMangaliso Robert Sobukwe efoma nabobaba uThopeng. Sicela ukuthi ma-Afrika nazi ukuthi lelanga lokufonywa kwe-PAC yayifonyelwe indaba yokukhulula ama-masses, ukukhulula abantu. Manje ke sithi ke ma-Afrika sisayibambile njengamabutho e-PAC. Joni siyacela ukuthi singayekeleli, singabuyeli emuva, asijiki, asabi, asithukanga. If icorona isifo esibulalayo yini ungathunyezela abo-doctor? Sibona abo-doctor bangena house to house banceda abantu ukuthi siphile sibe right. Nale injection abafuna ukuyifaka la bathi kuzojova, sithi phansi thina singama-Afrika asivumelani nalezo zinto lezo. Singathuswa amakorona ngoba kudala sabulawa, umhlaba wethu wathathwa kudala 1652 afika amabhunu uthatha umhlaba wethu. Sicela ke manje ubuye umhlaba sizokwazi ukusebenzisa ngoba kusasa abo-Bill bazovuka bavale zonke le ntoro zabo, sizohlaphi ngoba sinamhlaba. Kumele siqale sikwazi ukuzilimela sisebenzele izwe lethu.
Afrika uDoris Sigalala waseKhali Zimbiri, Deputy Secretary. Namhlanje njengoba kuyi-6 ngithi happy birthday ku-PAC.
Ma-Afrika nguSibusiso wakwaShabalala, ngibuya eKhali Zimbiri Wiza Military Camp branch. Ngiphinde futhi ngibe yimember ye-REC eJoburg mu-PAC. Yafonywa ngo-1959 kuze kube manje asikakaboni ama-changes. Ebengithanda ukusho kule current leadership ukuthi siwise i-white supremacy laws. Bengicela ukuthi ningalandeli, ningacollaborate ivumelane nendaba ye-lockdown because ama-masses ala azane angeke aze akhone ukuphila under i-lockdown. I-South Africa ayinawo ama-resources. Siphila ngokuthengisa amatamati, siphila ngephaza. Manje ke umessage wami mncane nje awukho mkhulu, bengicela nje ukuthi i-MEC ye-PAC irise kulama issues nathi esiwabekayo nge-birthday ye-PAC ukuthi asingadivert kwi-formation ye-PAC. We are a revolutionary movement. We must stick to a revolution. Izwe lethu mafrika.
Today we are observing the day when the PAC came into being, and equally important to the fact that this is the day when the PAC was formed. In accordance with the history of South Africa, this is the day when the settler race came to Africa in 1652. We should be in a position to observe and actually try and find ourselves as members of the PAC to then say, are we really revolutionists as per the prescription of the basic document of the PAC, or are we a people that have developed a particular philosophy of understanding and collaborating in our own oppression? Lockdown journey is designed from a perspective and a location of the privileged, you see, and within that particular setup you now have the new created African elite that seek, of course, to advance the interest of the settler race in Africa. You see, there are a whole lot of our people are suffering as a result of this particular lockdown. We know for a fact that this particular coronavirus, if you study it closely as much as we have studied it, it is clear that it is warfare, it's biochemical warfare.
Zulethu, ngithanda ukufisela i-PAC happy birthday. Ngithanda ukuthi ngathi ngakhula ngibuyele futhi kuma-founding principles wama-founding fathers. Ngibuyele futhi be-revolutionary movement le abantu abayaziyo. Sengathi futhi ngakhula nje nemanyane wonke ama-Afrika. And then umessage engingawuthanda ukusho kuma-Afrika kule corona ukuthi ama-Afrika kumele abheke ne-information ebanikwa yona i-media ukuthi bangavumi nje ukuthi ama-vaccination angene, bangavumi nje nokujova ngaba lama-vaccination azayo ngoba lama-vaccination angiboni kahle indaba yawo ngoba ngathi nje azele nje ukuzosilimaza nje singama-Afrika. If ukuthi nama-vaccination asebenza ngabe wonke nje abo-China abo-Italy bathumela khona kuqala. So why bafuna ukuwathumela la e-Afrika ekubeni i-Afrika ayinawo le number yama-deaths kufana nabo-Italy nabo-USA.
Izwe lethu Majoni bengithanda ukubongela iphathi i-birthday yayo. Sazi ukuthi le birthday lena yasungulwa abasunguli be-PAC basuka bebekhona ku-Black Consciousness bafila abantu abamnyama abaningi, abantu abamnyama abalinyazwa babulawa kusasisela ilizwe nje besazi ama-Afrika ukuthi ilizwe lethu alikakabuyi kithi we must continue sibheke phambili silwise lento ama-Afrika and we must unite all Africanists kunalabo abaphezulu abasiphethe abeParliament nabo abaku-national nabo bakumqondo nabo ibuye ama-Afrika ukuthi-ke bayeke ukuthi basithengise kwizinto zonke ezizakalayo ama-Afrika ngoba thina singama-Africanist we must fight and the land must come kithi umhlaba ungakabuyi kithi ma-Afrika asisilutho.
Izwe lethu ma-Afrika sizawuthanda ukubulalela i-PAC njengoba ikhula iya phambili. Sizawucela kuno ma-Afrika uba masimanyaneni, ma-Afrika kube Azania. Le nto ibithethwa zinkokheli zethu osobuko uba masimanyaneni sihambe sixelela abantu inyani, makube njalo ma-forces. Ndiyacela ukuthi ngoku ilizwe libuye kuthi ngoba lathathwa ngegazi ma-Afrika. Asikwazi uba ngoku sicompromise. Masibuyiseni ilizwe lokhokho bethu ma-Afrika apho nikhoyo zamani upreacher i-gospel ma-Afrika into endiyibona uba apha siyabulawa. Le nto okokuqala kwasifo esikhoyo apha e-Azania zange seza nomuntu ongum-Afrika, sibuya le phesheya emva koko bayithathe le nto bafuna ukuyenza yethu.
Igama uFuthumoni branch Kalizimbiri Soweto branch. Ngishela iKalizimbiri ne-PAC ukukhula amasotsha wonke amagerila la khona amaqhawe siyawakhumbula ngalali sohlale sinabo siphathane enhlizweni umzabalazo sisawubamba. Inkinga iqabile aba esingabazi abasithathele umhlaba abathatha umhlaba wokhokho omkhulu. I-civilization no-doctor waqhamuka ngawo ama-Afrika wakwazi ukulapha isizwe wakwazi ukubona impilo.
Nami ngizohalalisela i-PAC ukuthi iqhubekele phambili ingapheli umoya ibe namandla lokho esikufunayo ukuthi siyakufuna sikuthole. Umhlaba wethu, umhlaba kuswabelungu, umhlaba wabantu abamnyama. Ayikho into esiyenzayo sichokekile ngalesifo lesi. Isikhathini esiningi sajoyela sithuswa. Okokuqala kwathiwa kuzophela umhlaba and so abantu abaningi balahlekelwa okungokwabo konke. Abanye bathengisa izindlu ngobuningi, abanye bathengisa imoto zabo ngobuningi, abanye balahlekelwa nokukhona nokungekho kwabo. Baloku bathi hey umhlaba uyaphela namhlanje futhi basiphindile futhi bathi kunalesifo lesi.
Ngifisela i-PAC i-birthday i-61 years and ngifisa i-PAC ngibone iqhubeka phambili.
Izwe lethu Majoni Jabule Gobalo thanda ukushela i-PAC happy birthday ukuthi ibe nenqubulelo nempumelelo ayingayo. I'm not feeling happy ngalento ye-corona ngoba imise iy'mpilo zethu, abantwana basakhona esikolweni yonke into imile nje. So lento ye-corona mina I don't believe in it, into engekho nje dlalwa ngathi nje yazi. I just wish ngathi into yonke into ingabuyela normal siqhubekeni phambili ney'mpilo zethu.
It is on this day when the founding fathers of this Pan-Africanist movement of Azania started to launch this giant movement of the Africanist, because it was exactly on this day of the 6th of April 1652 when Jan van Riebeeck and his colleagues landed in the soil of Azania. Since they are landing in the soil of Azania, their act initiated this colonization that we are facing even today. This is a psychological and biological warfare that they are still insisting, that they are still instilling on the mind of African people. It has started somewhere, whereby they say it started in Wuhan in China, and then went to other countries that they are much affected. But now, to my surprise, what I can say shortly is that here in Africa, we are not yet so much casualties, so much death. But it's been insisted on us that we should be more vicious, we should be more careful, we should be quarantined, we should now even get this vaccine. But whilst countries that are more affected, that got thousands and thousands of people dying and even in the hospital, they don't even go to vaccinate those people.
I'd like to wish her 61st birthday to PAC, train the woman, train the nation. I don't really believe ukuthi corona iphatha abantu abamnyama because iqale vele from China, then it's Italy. Ukuthi nje thina la eAfrica abantu abasuke ngamaslete. Bana nama-mask kwakhona, which is the mask vele so infected already. So okwethu ukuthi thina silwele nje izwe lethu sisekele lezi zinto zaseChina.
Izwe lethu ma-Afrika, igama lami uGugu lethu Ngwenya. Bengithanda ukuwishela iPAC happy birthday. Namhlanje celebrate yona. Indaba ye-coronavirus, I don't believe in it. Because vele iphathe iphuma from eChina. Ina 2 months libe liseChina. eChina sebaze ba-right manje. Into engiphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi abantwana abasakhona esikolweni sibalelekile akusenampilo. Sesiphila njengabantu abasemajele.
This is Africa Umbulelo Mnyamane, the Secretary for Economic Affairs kwa-PAC. Namhlanje ma-Afrika ndithi mandinikhumbuze uba usuku apho khona kwazalwa khona umbutho wenkululeko omkhulu eAzania, iPAC. Idaba lethu lenkululeko alikafiki, alikapheleli, alikafezwa. Kusekude apho siyakhona. Nakona nje sibona uba kukhona abantu bona bakhululekile. Izinto ezenzakalayo ezifana nale corona esingaphansi kwayo namhlanje zingumzekelo osibonisa ngokucacileyo into yoba inkululeko kusekude uba sifike kuyo. Sithi kuwe ukhule ungakhokhobi umbutho omkhulu, umbutho wama-Afrika, the Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania.
Izwe lethu ma-Afrika, uPhumlani Khetshane Khumalo lokhulumayo, Treasurer of iKhalzimbiri Military Reserve Branch. Ngithanda nje ukuthi happy birthday to iPAC, umbutho omkhulu, Pan-Africanist, ukuthi ubhekele abantu abamnyama ama-Afrika ngokweqiniso. Ngithanda ukuthi awukhule njalo, let there be unity, sithandane ma-Afrika, and singakhohlwa ukuthi yini umsebenzi wethu. Kuthiwa siku-lockdown, but we find ukuthi sibona abantu bayahlukumezeka, abantu bayalamba, abantu bakithi, kodwa yet ubona amanye ama-trending videos of white people sitting on the streets benza ama-braai, yet batshela abantu ama-Afrika ukuthi abahlale endlini. Ngithi mina ayikhule njalo iPAC and iqhubeke ilwele abantu, ilwele ama-Afrika.
Zulbanzi Bosula, Deputy Chairperson of Khalzimbiri Wizard Military Camp Branch. Happy blessed birthday to Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania. You're still colonized. West now we are being colonized by the East. Mina ngiyidefire i-order kamatamela. Corona is another man-made virus. Ibhekene nabo mhlophe. Mina ayingi-affect kangaka empilweni yami corona because I'm not on lockdown. I'm a rebel.